Duke, oh Duke. Yes, Duke. You just come. Just come, I'll give you a job.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my, you try for me. Thank you. You will not regret this move.
Don't worry yourself. Just come.
I promise you. I regret. First boss like this tomorrow, I don't reach. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. Okay, my friend, my childhood friend, he said I should come and visit him. He's a big boy now. He did with you. He said, "May I come visit him?"
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Money long.
Wait.
Wow. So if you go there now, you will start to work.
And not to. I go one start.
Wow. That's very good. Wow. Congratulations to us.
Us, you and who?
Me and you now.
Anytime where I see you, I just be like to carry you go farm, go plant you, make you grow. Be like seed.
What? Should I say congratulations to us are looking at me?
To us, you and who? Don't carry your own come out. Make the congratulations. Don't go spoil my own. God, thank you for now.
Thank you for us.
Yeah?
It's not easy.
God, thank you for now.
God, thank you for us. Let me back.
What did they do?
I did pack too.
Hmm?
I did pack too.
Pack everywhere.
Follow you.
I know they go away again.
Me, I know they go too.
I don't change mine. They go Abuja.
Na Abuja me I want go safe. I know like Uyo. Abuja they very classy and high. Okay. I know they go.
Okay, fine. Begin to go there. Make her they go.
I want go Uyo.
Okay. Okay.
You will kill me now. You will kill me. Leave me. Sleep, that's in my bed. I got to say, make I just wait for you. If you come, I will wake up. No, go. I don't wake up now. I may go.
I know they go away again. I they go Abuja. So they go house.
I go follow you guys anywhere you go. I'll go now. Go. Let's go.
Go where?
Anywhere you want to go. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait first. What thing happen? Why you be weapon why you be weapon fashioned against me like this?
Now you be the enemy of
No, they point me hand before I spit you come out like this.
Let's go now. There's no time. There's no time. I'm hungry. Let's do something else.
Which time? Shut up your mouth here. Go carry my wallet. Come fast. Go and get wallet.
I don't go. Maybe we'll go together.
Okay, from where I want to get the money now, where I won't give you.
Small money there with me. Hold on. Let's go.
Go watch cartoon.
Cartoon. You get TV for house. No, when you buy a one, no, make a no now. You TV there, I go come back.
I go. No, there know this journey for you. See. No be temptation for my will. Eat this thing. Eat it responsibly. Don't eat it like a rat. Which one gonna eat this thing like this? You make we come be like say. You don't know say they embarrass this family.
I ain't going to eat it. Did you buy it for me?
Shut up your mouth.
Let's go because touchdown finish. Let's go. No, we're going to taxi pass. Number 30 pass. They go city. They go city with better pass. No, let's catch person. So for example, taxi pass, you have better if you wear. So for us, go where go out. You have travel.
All like this. My hawk no carry you.
Leave me direct.
Duka! Duka, you don't want to give me my money? Duka!
You don't know?
No waiting. Where Duka? You don't want me?
Duka don't travel now. Hey,
Travel?
Don't travel.
Travel go where?
I don't want me, I don't know.
You don't know where travel go. Duka, carry my money travel.
I go.
Duka, carry my money travel. Okay, no problem. He carry my money, no problem.
You go buy okpa in case you dey cross Red Sea. May we see something chop.
Red Sea. If never be say na me born you, you don't already come off my mouth. You don't come off my mouth already. Because the next thing we won't come off my mouth now, na thunder fire you. But I no go talk. It's okay. Okay, they go.
Let's go.
Listen, you dey make face for me.
Why I no go make face for you?
No problem. When I reach where they go, I go just submit myself as a living sacrifice to orphanage. And you automatically be fatherless.
Do you know that in this life, nobody go ever say they want make their father be poor man. Like the way poverty hold you like this. You know go angry. You don't want Greek on one hand. You know that's how they manage you. I manage and they manage you.
Just don't worry. I don't blame you. I blame because I'm not saying no be God give it to me because I don't know who just intercept God blessing to that shit. Because as you be so, you be like Semo. As I be so, if I see express soup, I go buy just use you swallow.
Because they pay me salary because I manage you well. I manage you well. No days.
Yeah. I'll just carry you like this. I'll go just buy bags.
Where did this man go? Huh? Duka, they try me. Duka, they try me. You want chop my money? You don't want pay my money? If they owe me, they run, they dodge. Huh? Duka. My hand go catch him. I beg, no verse. You see Duka. He took this way. I go catch him. Duka, I go catch you.
No roll, enter gutter.
I think I know this.
They run, they go. Roll fast.
Stop here! I said stop here!
Ow! Ay! This madman don't slap my eye, yo. What kind of problem is this? Eh?
Wow.
Ay!
The slap sweet.
Eh?
The slap.
Who Nabi?
Yeah.
Driver, want to go.
Driver.
Drop.
Stop us.
Driver, I beg. Drop me, I won't come out.
Me too, I won't come out too.
Now only me be the conductor already again. So if you know they do again, don't die.
Look, you don't down now. Look, you don't down.
No try am. Driver, I beg.
Driver, stop. What's happening? Driver.
Wait down. Who carry me come put for Christmas motor?
Driver.
How may I help you?
Help!
Driver, beg, this next bus stop. I go stop there, beg.
Help!
Maybe your body that.
No, that's my papa. I don't know him.
No, no, I heard you what you say.
Hey,
Help!
I beg.
Oh!
Stop, make
Drop
a
me
man
now.
now. Stop. I beg, drop me now. Make me do that.
Drop me, wait a minute!
Oga landlord o. Wetin you dey do?
I won't break the door now. Make I see the property where I go carry. Say I recover my money.
Oga landlord, you wan break your door. You wan break this door wey be your door.
Uh-huh.
Oga landlord, if you break this door, number one, you don scatter your door. Then number two, we say this guy go use am against you in the court of law. He go say you don thief him money. So if you break this door now, you don lose pata your money na over.
So I don't go get my money again.
No now. So leave am. If he run comot, if as he run, person wey run go soon come back. If he come back, you hold am like this. You dey hear me? So leave am. I know say you get hot temper, but to make you just lower am. You get?
So make I leave my money like that.
Leave am. He go soon. I know say in the buga do this, but no why he go still come back. He go hold am. But if you scatter am now, you don't lose. Eh?
Duka. Which kind
I know why I dey tell you.
Which kind one chance?
Oga landlord, I know why I dey tell you.
Which kind
No problem. Make I know wetin dey do me.
What be this now?
See, no touch
Driver.
me. No touch me. Make I no
Driver,
slap
beg now.
you. No touch me. Make I no slap you now.
Okay, I touch you.
Driver,
Oh!
look.
It's here.
Hey! Soulmate. You are who be soulmate. Aye! You go.
Wait,
Come on!
you dey go?
Okay, my soulmate.
Now God save us, oh.
See, from today, everything will join me and you. Everything will bind me and you. I don't break them. I don't get business with you again. Since you get mind like this for your mind, for your mouth and yourself, to deny me like Peter.
What did that one call me?
It means say I don't disown you.
Fine.
I don't get any business with you. You don't get any business with me. 2 seconds from now, you don't have any right to say I am your father.
Fine. No problem. Settle me.
Settle, you be dust.
Give me my birthright. Make I dey go now.
You born?
go to your,
Were you born? What is birthright? Birthright now for people who born. I don't know whether them blow you come up for nose like that. Shut up your mouth. Yeah, I'm birthright. What do you know by?
Abeg, give me. Make I dey go.
Who get this kind? Who be that? How you take a phone?
Now when you dey mad, I collect am. Give me my birthright.
You collect how? My friend, give me that phone.
Waiting. You wan collect am? Waiting. Now my birthright be this one.
Oh, now you dey carry your own hand, they collect your birthright from people where no born you. Huh? If you don't give me that phone now, If you don't give me that phone now, now
Wetin
this
happen?
phone go be the last thing where you go ever see for my
Very last thing. I like say you get something where you go give me now for my better. As I dey drag you, no say I just dey drag you for dragging sake. I not say you no get anything where you go give me now, only poverty. You no get anything. Bang. And what's in your house where you go? Now bed, you want give me a bed, right? Now bed.
When they say children are a blessing, you feel say you follow for blessing.
I follow.
They say fruit of the womb. They are fruit. They are better fruit like watermelon, mango.
At least.
You are bitter cola.
At
In
least,
case you don't know.
at least I be something.
Fruit of the womb.
I be something. Please, I
They come.
Una well done. See am, I get them. Na
give me
biscuit.
bread.
Okay, bread. That one na 250. Okay, see this one.
Give me
400.
the mineral.
Okay, the mineral. Na 600. You need again? I get this one.
This one was good.
This one, when they lose that thing for, who go pay for all this?
Oh.
Bro, save am now. E be like say you get money.
Okay, no worry, my brother, no worry. You don't understand. I don't forget say, that's where go pay for.
Jesus. You dey give me back, oh. Everything.
I enter better motor, kiss am, chop better thing.
Nah,
Carry your things.
You just spoil my market with that.
No, I know, nobody spoil your market. And not be me here. See the things wey spoil your market.
Jesus.
You don't
I
get money.
which kind thing be that one? I no get money. I wan buy my.
first.
Nah,
wait.
abeg more na carry una sef.
Wait now.
I dey vex o.
You get Gary.
I no get garri o.
You get tapioca.
I no get anyone. Abi you wan spoil my market? Abeg more na carry una wahala
Guy,
dey go.
when you dey go
When I dey
after
go.
for credit.
More na stay am o.
Give me one biscuit there.
Say am na. Okay, one. Okay.
Come.
The bread, okay.
Give me this one.
Na 250 o.
Okay. No problem.
Where my money now? When I give me my money, where your
Collect your
money?
money, oh. Collect money now.
Bring money. Oga, bring money now. Na market I dey sell. When I give me money, I just carry my goods like that. I won't try to-
Dad, I'm ready to go.
T-boy, that's all right. Be safe, eh?
But you look worried. What was it?
I'm trying to reach out to somebody, but his phone is not reachable. I don't want him to be stranded.
And who is that?
You know that my childhood friend I told you about, Duke.
Oh. You should be able to get here very soon. Maybe it's network.
I just hope so.
Yeah. So I want to go out with the Lexus 330. You know it's a big party.
T-boy,
Dad.
I just walked on that car.
Dad, I want to go out with it now.
Okay, no problem. You can go with it.
Yeah. So how do I look? I'm getting all ready.
You look good.
Thank you, Daddy. I'm going.
Be very careful.
2 days. This is how my guy brought in a girl to my house. I paid for. On my bed, I bought with my money. Gosh, I was so shocked. Really. I hope you tore her into pieces. To think this guy is broke and still have erections baffles me a lot. Now broke guys, they cheat pass. I swear. Guys can cheat. Guys can cheat. Gosh.
They play.
Ah, on my bed. On my
I've not
bed,
seen
oh.
anything.
And the guy is so broke. I don't even know what to say again. Like, the thing is just so annoying and confusing self.
I think they drag my, they drag my, come here. What behind are the hoses? Apollo! Apollonia! What's with this? Apollonia! Give me like this. Are they inside boss like this now? Apollonia! Now boss are they like this? I can't come out because she dey slow. I drag her. I dey waka. I waka. Pass uphill.
Forgive. Nah, say this na story no dey finish. You no go allow her make she finish story. You go to cut and short, they bring another topic. Anyone where she want conclude, you go bring another new topic, you bring another. Wait till be your own step. Make she finish the story.
Hey.
Madam, I bet
Wait,
you forgive
have you
Abi.
been following us?
Leave
Your
that.
father has left you.
Now you cause her now. Now you cause her. I dey follow you, make her know the end of the story. You dey bring another new topic. I beg you forgive Abi, you no forgive.
Your father have left you.
I know. Last, let me see what happened. Did you forget? I want to just know the end of the story, nothing else. Did you later forgive him?
Hey. Wonder shall never end.
Don't do. Where my papa drop? Papa! Where he come down? Papa!
What's all this? Now, dude, pick your call. What's all this? Hi.
Guy. God, oh. Kai, which I go answer you now? Kai, my daughter. Aye, my only daughter. Oh. Aye. Aye.
Where you dey go?
Dey one big man like that. Me and my papa dey go in house. And I don't know, we come miss road. I don't come sabi where to get to the house like this now.
You carry your papa number for head.
Now only 070 something. I know 070 be like na 8 or na 6. 070 something like that. I don't come no am.
That one na problem. Oh. Make I help you carry you go police station now.
Maka why?
So you go feel look for your papa from there.
Me look for papa. I tell you say my papa go police. I tell you say my papa I went to talk na. I say me and my papa they go one big man house. I tell you say they go police. Wetin you call me a police people?
Now help I wan help you. Come make I help you now.
No mention again. Bye bye.
Where you dey go now? Come make I help you.
They reason like you sef.
E go dey good for you. Oh. Make you follow there look for your papa. Come now.
Duko. I've been calling you. Are you crying? What happened? Tell me, what happened?
My daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes.
What happened to your daughter exactly?
She's lost. I forget them for the park. I can't remember to carry back. I can't forget my daughter.
You're drunk. That's why you forgot your daughter. What kind of a rubbish talk is that?
Maybe because I drunk. Now this driver from Kansas now give me something make I use C road.
Which bus stop is that?
Uphill.
Ah! Hold on, I know who to call.
Uphill.
Hello, Obong. Yes, I need your help. There's an emergency here. One of my friends came to see me. He accidentally forgot his daughter in a taxi. Yes, at Uphill bus stop. Please help me talk to your guys. And that one that is the head of vigilante, okay? What's her name?
Apollonius. Apollo for short.
Her name is Apollonia.
Yes. Dark, like her mama now.
She's dark in complexion.
Yes.
Age.
15 years. But the height, the size, 7 years experience.
She's 15 years.
With 7 years experience of size.
Obon, can you hear him?
Yes, meaning she does not look 15. Oh.
Okay, Duke, don't worry. Let me even call the DP as well.
I've been telling her this thing. The way you are now, it will be very. If you lost now, how the person go take find you?
Do you have credit?
Hello, DPO. Yeah, how's work? We're good. Just a quick one. Yes, one of my friends came to see me. He accidentally forgot his daughter in a taxi at Uphill bus stop. Yes. Her name is Apollonia.
Apollo for short.
She's dark in complexion. She's 15 years old.
Yes, but with 7 years experience in size.
Yes, please help me talk to your guys. Great, thank you.
Is she with them?
No, don't worry, Duke. He said he's going to talk to his men. Come, let's go inside. At least you have something to eat.
Just flash him first now, or text him so that he will not forget.
No, don't worry yourself. They will bring her to me. I'm connected in this town. Let's go. Bring your bag. Duke, oh Duke.
This is not the time for hailing.
Come, let's go inside, sit down. At least you eat something. You're from a very far journey. Okay?
No, I don't have appetite.
Let's go. Pick up. Just
Don't
worry. It's okay. Just let's go. Duke, oh Duke, my friend. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Duke, oh Duke.
Call him again.
I don't have to. We are going to call. Duke, oh Duke.
Just call first now.
My papa.
Who are you and who is your father?
My papa now, no be you carry us from that park. Where my papa did?
Is this some kind of joke? What are you talking about? I don't know you and I don't know your father. What are you? I've not carried you today.
What is you don't know me? You don't know me. Are you speaking for them for me? You don't know me. Okay, now you carry me and my papa from that park. Who carry me to this area? I know this area before. Now you want me to shout kidnappers now?
Is
You kidnap my papa, I mean you no kidnap and tell me the truth.
some kind of joke?
I go shout kidnappers, so my head no call. I go shout kidnappers, so come on. If you kidnapper,
Is this some kind of joke or what?
I go shout kidnapper, yeah, nah. I go shout
Kidnapper? I don't know. I just came out and this small girl is harassing me for no reason.
Harassing you? Brother, can you use such a word for a little girl of this nature? Use a better word now. Embarrass.
Embarrassment for somebody I don't know. She said I carried her and her father and
okay,
I don't know her.
you carry me and my papa, you carry us.
But wait, you said he carried you. How are you sure he's the one that carried you and your
Say me, are they blind? Say I know they see wetin I dey talk again. I know get myself. Are they blind? Are they crazy? I dey tell wetin I dey tell. See, they ask another question. I say I see, and now you carry me and my papa. Now I be this, now the mouth, see mark what they there. He gets kolo head, he gets opera mango, he gets body odor, he gets big belly, he can't walk like this. Now he be this, now all these things what I mentioned, now you know stand for anybody.
body odor?
Me, body odor. If I slap you, I will.
Bros, take it easy. And you say if you won't fight this little girl.
Go keep.
Wait, but where are you coming from?
where I'm from no be the wahala now. Now where they go now be the cocoa. And now my papa they find now because now two of us supposed go that place where they go.
See, it's getting dark here and it's very dangerous out here. I'm willing to help you if only you are ready to cooperate. I'll take you to my sister. She's a prophetess. She can even look at you, see through you and tell you your future. And she will even tell you where your father is.
This are two of you. If I went to the same slippers. Shebi is not what my mind is telling me. This are this kidnapper is wearing these slippers. You are a stranger, you are wearing these same slippers. My mind is telling me, sir, are you sure both of you are not the same?
I don't know this young man from Adam.
I want another plan, another etiquette to follow me.
Waiting. Etiquette.
Please, if you know what to do with her, carry her.
Come, let's go, my friend. You don't even tell me your name. Come, let's go. So you can, together we look for you.
If you kidnap me, what thing I go do you? If you kidnap me, what thing I go do you?
What the person won't get to kidnap you like this?
If you kidnap me, what thing I go do you?
What they want use you do? They come make her help you. They still won't help you. They shout for your helper. I'll help you. So as I talk before, that my sister, now prophetess. So if you go, come on for road, come this side. If you go,
I've told you to calm down.
It's okay.
They will find your daughter. The police will bring her to me.
I'll manage. I don't have appetite.
But you know you need this food. We've had a long journey.
Seafood that I will be enjoying. Cat food. No appetite.
Sis.
Who is that?
Man of God.
Man of God, I greet you.
God bless you, my daughter. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, now the girl be this.
No, she had to talk about help her find papa.
Fine girl, my child, beautiful girl. No worry, may come inside, may come chop better food.
No, not be food, carry me come. I want to see my papa.
No, me say
your papa. Wait, ma.
He said now you be perfect, so go even look into me. See my papa.
Before I reach here, I don't already see your mind. I don't know what you want to carry. No worry. That's why I say I go help you find your papa. The Lord is with you, my daughter. Come go chop better food. Beautiful girl. Hold this one first. Now small picky. You know, wait. You know, say I will still resell her. Not be still better again. No, they do like this.
Hold on first.
Why they do like this?
Why they do like this?
Now today will they do this?
Now you are go ask this question. See you fight her when I carry come for you now. You can't they do me like this.
But you know, say now small picking and I will still resell her. No gain for this one.
Go add that money. If not, I go carry this girl come up for you.
No, they do like never rich like that.
I get all that plug.
Why they do like this?
In fact,
wait. I will give you money before I come out.
Before you come out, oh, if you say I don't know, say early pie tomorrow, your motor they go back as
no, they do
early
like,
mama, you don't jack back.
You want too much. You too like money. Oh yeah, ma go add that small money. Small go add.
Now, but I they talk for you, so
why they be like
go add.
Oh yeah, first. You too like money. Too like money.
Because we move.
My pikin. Beautiful girl. My pikin. What are they see so? Wait a minute. Hey, my money, oh! My money thief. Hey, whoa! My money thief. Hey, you get away, carry come. You just steal my money past window run.
I don't understand.
What sure you don't understand? No be you planner. No be you planner. You don't carry my money. money. Run, all my money, my bag of money. Why you mother, cash out for me. You go die today.
It's all yours. Take it easy.
You saying it with all your might?
Yeah, it's all yours. Duke, oh Duke.
Now spoon the for you.
Take it easy. It's all made for you. Yes, take it easy.
Kasha, kasha, no, kasha, bilang, animaga, bilang, money, kasha, no, you get that, kasha. Ha, it's me who wants his hand to do me. It's me who wants his hand.
Sorry.
Who is this one? Come on, get away from there, Joe. See. Come and take me home.
Can you just behave
Take me
yourself?
home first.
Behave yourself now. Can't you see somebody's hurt here? Come, let's take her to the hospital. Sorry. Sorry.
Listen first, come and take me home.
Sorry.
Duke, you need to go up and get some rest. You need some rest. Go up and sleep. The guest room is just the second door by your right, upstairs. This is for breakfast in the morning. You're getting very drunk. Go up. Not that way, this way.
I know my way. I know this small pikin.
Lovely.
Gracia! Who is this pig?
Now, our friend, though.
And that's why he's snoring anyhow, she? Sir, please, mister, please, just go to the guest room and have your bath. You stay, come on.
Wait, don't worry. Just stay. Between this and this, what do you look like?
Take him out of my sight.
What is the take him out of my sight? What is the meaning of it?
Sir, please, go upstairs and have your bath. You stay, come on. What's this? Get him out of my sight.
Sorry, sir. Let's go now.
You are hugging me.
Are you stupid? You're talking to him.
Let's go.
I want you to back me.
Eh?
Why are you doing that? Are you dodging bullets?
Sir, come on back.
Mr. Man, please go away from here.
Sir, please, let's go.
I can dig up ground in this place and plant you. Already, you are an okra. Now, water you and then you grow. Hold on. Easy.
Okay, sir.
Easy.
Okay, sir.
What did I say?
Take him out of this place.
I didn't say that. I said easy.
Sir, let's go.
Say easy.
Easy. Let's go.
Gracia, do you want to lose your job?
No, sir.
Morning. Hey, come here. Where they go? Huh? Where they go? How your leg?
Don't go.
Just like that?
Just like that. When I know they give visitor breakfast for this house.
Leave that question where they ask me now. You need to come from this house. Before my guy can see you, come put me for problem.
I tell you I don't know road to my house. Or I tell you I don't know how to go back to my place.
If you don't know how to go back to your place, police station.
I don't tell you I don't know how to go back. Now waiting at the talk. Make I go chop first.
I think you come here first. I say you need to come off from
this house. I'm hungry. Leave me
need
now.
To come off from... Wait, you know there's something. You won't put me for trouble.
I want chop now. You never give me food.
It be like say this girl you no get manners.
I don't get manners. Okay, now because say I no die when I jam me, now be say I no. It's I die that time when I jam me. You know say it's supposed to prison now. They tell me I no get manners.
Oh yeah, now. Thank God say you no die. Oh yeah, come go outside.
I want chop.
If you go outside to go buy food, come.
I don't want chop outside food.
Outside food, go outside.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me. Are they hungry?
Come go outside, go buy. You go. Come here. Stay here, my friend.
Let me talk. Let me.
Do you know you're very stupid?
What?
You're very ungrateful.
You too, you're very stupid and ungrateful too. Don't insult me.
Can you imagine this girl? Yeah? Do you want to put me in trouble?
How will you bring somebody to your house? Visitor for that matter, you bring a visitor to your house. You don't want me to be going like that without breakfast. How evil you are.
Leave my evilness alone. You're the one that's evil. Leave this house. Now! Go and pack your things and leave this house.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. If I leave you, make a bend.
You go bend. You must bend.
I go bend 2 times.
Yes, you go bend 2 times. If I beat you now, you go bend.
Leave me alone. Leave me, I will shout.
Sir!
Where is this Mark?
Sir! Sir?
What time did you come back here last night?
Sir, it was Tonio. He refused to come back.
I said, what time did you come back here last night?
Sorry, I did not keep the time.
And you let my son drink and dance half naked? And the video is all over the internet?
Hey, sir, I'm sorry. They did not even allow me to enter the place of the...
You better be sorry for yourself. I left a little boy under your care and you couldn't take care of him?
I'm sorry, sir.
Incompetence.
Which kind of problem be this now? Eh? Which kind of trouble be this? Picking way head don't spoil finish. Now they can't blame me for the thing. Picking way don't sour finish. Picking way head don't scatter. Now they can't blame me for what you know concern me. Eh?
Leave me alone.
Duke, oh Duke. It's like you had so much alcohol last night.
What will a man do to drive away sorrows? If not for little alcohol here and there. But it is okay. I am fine now. I beg, any news about the whereabouts of my child?
There's news that she has gone back.
Okay.
The driver that took them back confirmed it.
I thank God. Oh.
So the only thing you have to do now is to call any of your neighbors to confirm yourself.
It's okay. I will. Timmy, my good neighbor, is around. I will always reach him, to help. This news is good. Oma, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
To the main point why you came here.
Oma, first of all, thank you. And also, thank you. My mind is at rest now. At least even if I am walking, my walk will have purpose. Oma, I came for work. So, the only thing that is even worrying me now is, apart from what was worrying me before, my main worry now is what I am going to wear. I don't have suit. What I'm going to wear to follow you to work.
Duke, oh Duke, you don't need a suit to work with me. At all.
How?
You will just be manning the gate.
Manning the gate. How?
Yes.
Manning the gate. What will I be doing? What work will I be doing when I man the gate?
The job of a gate man is
opening of the gate and closing it.
Exactly.
So,
and the salary is fat. The salary is attractive. In short, it's a fat salary. And on top of that, you're also entitled to 3 square meal here.
Talk and finish for your mouth. You want me to be your gate man? Are you a gate man where you're working? Are you a gate man? Yes or no?
Duke.
Leave Duke first. Leave Duke. Do you realize? Do you realize that you are even alive today because of the effort I put in saving you from bullies? Oh, you have grown now. You now have money. You can now choose what to buy, what to eat, what to wear, and all of that. And now you feel you have arrived.
Duke, I wish you're qualified for a company work.
I am not qualified for company work now because you have money today. If I had money, will your money and my money be on the same table talking? Will we be mates?
Duke, oh Duke, don't think like that.
I should think like what?
Listen, don't think like that.
I should think like what?
You can even be richer than me tomorrow. Yes, I want the best for you because I know how we started. Do you understand?
The way we started, is it what you're doing right now, does it show the way we started? You know what I did for you when you were a lot younger. When we in our childhood, you can't remember. You say you know how we started, Onwa. How we started was for me to be gate man in your house.
Duke.
Where's my bag?
Just hang around.
I am not hanging.
I might think of better things for you tomorrow.
Where's my bag?
What are you doing with your bag? What are you doing with your bag?
I'm preparing for a 3-day warning strike.
Duke, you're very funny. You have not even accepted the job and you're preparing for 3 days warning strike.
I'm now a laughing stock. I don't be like Alibaba, be basket mouth for inside your eye now. No be so. No be so? Okay, no problem. 3 days warning strike. If your brain no reset and you don't think of a better way of insulting me, all right? That will be permanent strike. If the permanent indefinite strike does not work, inside that strike, I will protest. Hashtag
end stinginess. He's not doing like and doing as if you want to pronounce M in slow motion. Headache. Oh. Say, no, for just carry my things, calm down, self. 3 days warning strike.
Are you serious?
No, I am Duke. Hey. Oh, thank you. Thank you. As they don't see him now. Police. If police won't walk like this, then they'll try you. True, police is your friend. This girl now. Better to go back to go meet. No. I'm not going to go come meet you. It's good say you have been delivered and by God and you have been returned back home. As it be now, because of all this problem where you go give me, I know they go. Nico, you're also a part of my problem in this life. Even federal government, they owe person. Yes. Nigeria, they owe China. They owe America. Even America self, they owe people. Everybody they owe. Don't make it look like my own case is a different case. I am not coming. The eyes of my creditors will not behold me. And moreover, that trouble where I born so, I don't know what I did in my previous life, but that trouble that I born so, you will not behold me again. I know wherever you are, you're going to be fine. In Jesus' name. No.
What happened? Have you changed your mind?
When is the work start?
Kai! Duke, you will not kill me.
Tell me now, and how much are you paying for the salary?
Well, your salary is 200,000 naira.
Is it what?
200,000 naira.
Is it waiting?
200,000 naira going.
For how many years?
1 month. Come on, you're my friend.
For what? I know they like this kind of prank to open gate and close for you.
I say 200,000 naira going.
I accept. Well, the salary is very nice. It gladdens the heart. It's okay. Having entered a closed door meeting with the NLC, we have reviewed our position on the incoming strike, and then we have suspended the strike. Nonsense. You're laughing there.
Duke, go to the laundry and pick up your uniform.
You even saw uniform for me?
Yes.
You know my waist size.
Everything has been arranged.
Duke, hope no problem.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Come on.
I no tell you say I dey comot. Why they open the gate now?
I dey open the gate. I want to make my measurement. For an emergency, motor, no keke. Okay, that one was motor. This is keke. Keke can enter here like this. Conveniently.
They don't hook you. Make I can't help you. Make I can't help you. Don't worry. Make I help you from here, yeah? I know say no easy.
Wait first.
Before you begin work here, I don't use the gate. Eh?
Is that what?
Before you begin work here, I don't use the gate.
Where's it your name again?
You know my name.
Okay, you know my name, come. May I talk to you?
I said you already know my name.
Okay, you already know my name, come now.
No, but what's not the try
No, be your name, be that you say
my name na Mark.
Okay, your name na Mark. What is your name?
My name is Mark.
Okay, my name is Mark, come. Which is first name, which is middle and surname? My name is first name is, middle name,
Duke.
surname is
Duke.
Mark.
I tell you say my name. Me. My name na Mark.
Okay. How
Yes.
many mark? Pass mark or fail? You have failed in life. The mark where they give you, you no pass. Guess he didn't know. He didn't know.
That make you be get man, so.
I'm just telling you, because the way you are now, you're very close like this for me to recommend you for sack. Me and Nonwa, we are contemporaries. It is just that life happens to us. And me, I am at the gate. You know, as a gate man, I can also be called GM.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
GM. Gate man. Onwa is there doing his business. I am a GM here.
That's
and
li-
a chief
life is
security
beautiful,
officer
then.
of the compound. All you are doing is to drive people's cars. You have never priced tire before. You have never priced wheel spanner. You don't even have anything. Your ordinary fuel.
For
you have
your
not bought with your money.
information, I used to sell tire before.
I know.
See, radial tires. Radial tire
I
is
know.
90,000 naira for one.
I know
Then
you-
Michelin tires, you understand, from 257 and above, you see them for 250,000.
See, let me tell you something. The right profession for you to have been engaging in would have been to work in NEPA. That department that they use to change face for people without ladder. Because you're very tall.
You're supposed to be a power.
It is not a matter of pound wine tapper, because anybody who tall is close to sunlight and sun go they hit your head. That's why tall people know they get sense.
So you now wake up brief now. You get sense, Abi?
You don't have sense. That is the truth. Because you look like javelin. As you are now, I'm telling you now. You be like, you're like teaching aid. If they carry you now and then do pointer in class, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, not like that.
Duke.
That is what is Duke.
It don't do for you.
Don't. You want to follow me?
I want to jump on top of you.
For what?
For that. Mind the way you talk to me in this house. Me and you, I don't first you come to work for this place before I come to work for this place. Mind the way you talk to me in this place.
Me, I don't even know why the hair on your head is blacker than your baby. As if you are carrying kettle.
It's called color blocking.
What is color block?
Color blocking when different.
And then when you eat beans, when you're growing up, read your Bible, pray every day if you want to grow. And you were growing the right way. Your baby is not growing and it's not in alignment with the hair on your head. Why is it malnourished? Your baby is like cobweb.
It don't do for
If you want to grow baby, grow this one full, like Abraham when he was in youth service.
Because you be Abraham cousin, Abi?
Be funko and sit down. Ask.
Hi, Dad.
T-boy, I've told you that this is not the polite way to address your father.
Dad, What Gen Z generation without something to feed their internet with?
Remove your 2 hands from your pocket while I'm talking to you.
Dad, you take things too seriously.
T-boy, come back here. Boy, I say come back here.
I don't even understand. What's all this? I will do this when you talk. I don't understand.
T-boy.
Sir.
Why did you walk out on me? I warned you never to walk out on me when I'm talking.
That was all this now. I'm an adult for crying out loud. What's all this? I don't understand. I'm an adult now, so I can do anything I want to do.
You messed yourself up in the party?
Dad, I'm an adult. I can do what I want to do. So stop shouting at me every time. You're always shouting at me every time. What's that?
Don't worry. I don't see what's this?
Dude!
Come on, drop me!
Dude!
Drop me here!
What are you doing? Put him down!
Drop me now! Come on, drop me! Leave me alone. Open this gate! Are you okay? Open this gate!
Target apprehended.
Open this gate.
Target neutralized.
Are you mad? You know where I am.
Over.
You know where I am.
Over. And out.
My back. Open this gate. Open this gate. Open this gate. You are very, very mad. You are a madman. Open this gate. Open this gate. What will I do? Open this gate!
What have you done?
Done what? No, reason I'm now done what?
Mark!
Are you not the one paying me salary?
Open the gate for him.
Open this gate. Where's that madman? Where's that madman? Dad, so you brought this madman to come and kill me? You brought this madman to come and kill me. You drunkard. We shall see, don't worry. You will see.
Who did I want... You trained this thing. Oh, why you trained that thing? You must be a zookeeper. You trained that thing.
T-boy. 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 T-boy, open up. Daddy wants to talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you. Leave me alone.
All right, T-boy. Okay, what can I do for you? What can I buy for you to make you happy?
I don't want anything. Just leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. I will teach that drunk a lesson today.
Where is that Duke?
Eh?
What was that madness for? I'm asking you. What was that madness for? Do you want to kill my son?
Waiting now.
What was that madness for?
Kill your son how? Now your son be that they talk to you anyhow. Huh? And I will be alive in my duty post watching him talk to you like that. That is why I gave him uppercut.
Where is that man? Where's that man?
See this one. See this one. See this overfed school baby.
Where's that man?
Huh?
T-boy,
What's
T-boy,
it?
put that knife down.
Do you know the number of bullets I got?
Put that knife down.
Hey!
You must call this man.
Put that knife down. See this thing. Hey! Stop this kind of rubbish now. Is it this one? So you think you're a man? You think you're a man? You think you're a man? I go share you. I'll just carry you and share in party. You know you look like a straw. I
I'll just share you. I'll use you and drink Fanta.
Sit down. T-boy, sit down.
If you try it,
Try it.
T-boy, put that knife down. What is the problem? T-boy, put the knife down. You will injure him. Put the knife down.
Wait.
Put the knife down. Put that knife down.
let me.
Stop that!
That excuse.
Hey! Took you. Hey!
What am I seeing? Papa? So, my year you did like this, you don't even look for your missing child.
Apolonia, how? Police talk say you don't go village with boss.
Night boss now.
What
will you chatter for me? Who they chase you? Who be that when they chase you?
Now my friend the picking.
Now they pursue you.
You don't go put me. Yes.
And they come make I want shut up.
Come here.
Make I want deal with them now.
Where we waiting? He got a knife.
He got a knife, so what's gonna happen? And they come for you first.
Open this door!
You want to break this door? Are you mad? You want to break the door? Are you a mad dog?
Who are you?
Who are you?
In my own house.
Oh, okay, it's your house. Sorry, sir. But who are you? Why are you backing? What is wrong with you?
I said, who are you?
I am who I am, sir. Ask him. He knows who I am.
Tony. Who is she?
I don't know you. Do I know you?
Don't fire you there. Now you don't know me. No, you don't know me again. In your life, you will never know me in Jesus' name because you are mad. I don't know that hit me yesterday night. You not carry me and put in this house to hide me.
Wait a minute. Tony. Mark.
Sir?
Did she sleep in this house?
Yes.
So it has gotten to that level. You brought a stranger to my house and you left her here.
No be so. Just that last night we hit her with the car and we now took her to the hospital. We don't know where to take her to, so we decided to bring her to the house for safety.
And me, I'm hungry. I need to eat.
Shut up! I don't want to ever see you here. Now, get out.
Papa! Yeah, let's go now. They say go. Give me my bag.
Duke.
Let's get back.
Is she your daughter?
The thing where God give me, Papa. Name where you they see I'm sir.
Oh, you're welcome. Wow. Let me carry her. You're welcome.
What you do? What you want to carry? That's what I say. At the hunger never chop. You want to carry me?
No, I'm just excited meeting you.
If you get
This
excited,
is my house.
I know.
You're welcome.
If you get excited, give me food, make a chop.
Yeah, let's go and eat food. Don't worry.
It's food you wanted to eat. If you don't want to be constipated with insults, go inside and eat your food in peace. And forget about it. Forget about it. It is not important. Leave it.
No. She's hungry. Let's go and eat.
Okay, you be one key person. As you dey like this now, you fit keep person. You were there like stick one key person. They fit you now.
Want to eat?
Are your son, sir?
Food they eat.
Sir, are your son?
Should be the same. You see the problem where you don't put me so?
I'll give me.
Come on, move. I don't know why Dad is bringing all these mad people inside this place.
At the talk of problem where you don't control that knife. You dey talk of mad people where your papa carry.
Get out from here, get out.
This boy, I don't know what they worry you.
Come on, get out now.
Thank God. So as this are not finished now, where the main breakfast no start?
This is the breakfast.
I just said this are now open belly where after you eat and finish they'll still bring the main breakfast.
See, rich men know they chop breakfast like everybody. Breakfast don't finish for like this, so begin to stand up to the go.
Me I no be rich man picking now. Make una feed me like poor man picking.
You should eat healthy. You eat like a pig.
Hey!
Stop eating like a pig.
I know they talk to you. I go do your love. Keep quiet.
It's okay. Gracia will find something else for you to eat.
Okay. Gracia! Who is Gracia? Gracia! You should give me something heavy because I'm not eating since I'm very, very hungry.
Let me go to my Etiko.
Gracia! Who is Gracia? Oh boy, call Gracia if you don't come out.
Feel at home.
I should feel at home.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now you talk more. Now you talk. Gracia! No need of calling Gracia. I can feel at home. Sir, please, where is your kitchen? This side. Okay, sir.
Let this girl not embarrass me. Let this girl not embarrass me. Hey. Village no be township. Hey. Okay.
Thank you.
Did you do this one?
I just say una get like fufu. Una don't get fufu.
Eh?
Fufu. I tell una say I want every food. Why una don't do?
Wait, after you don't chop all this thing, you still want chop for this your small belly?
Concerning. No belly.
So this one we dey and I no go do you.
Okay, still feel at home. And I'm feeling my at home.
They say you should feel at home, so I should pack all the whole food in this house and serve it to you, Okwayan.
No, no, for food. You don't have fufu.
There is no fufu for you.
I'm call you.
I should come out.
Tell him that there is no fufu so that you go and buy. I want to eat fufu now. I want to eat fufu. If I tell you I don't want to eat this one now, will you beat me? Tell him that there is no fufu at home. You want to buy fufu?
Wait. Let me come out.
And you go and buy now. Call him on the phone or tell him.
I didn't like the way you spoke to our guest.
I'm going to start talking about them.
You have to learn to speak to people with kindness. It's very important you do. You're just growing up.
Dad, I don't like them.
Well, you have to learn how to like them because they're going to stay for a long time here.
That means I will leave this house for you and him because I don't understand.
You want to kill yourself? So the food you are eating. She wants to commit murder, Mr. Security.
All this rich man person. You know, they intelligent at all, Mr. Security. Now, the same poor people, now you go teach you not to. Olodo, Mr. Security. Now what do they teach you for school? I know so that now your school they pay expensive money. Mr. Security. Mrs. Woman.
Mr. Security. Mr. Security, Mr. Security. Mr. Security.
What?
Come with me quickly.
Say waiting.
Your daughter is committing suicide.
Huh?
Your daughter, come with me now.
Wait.
She's committing suicide.
Hey!
Gracia! Gracia! Toothpick!
Here's all the food.
Ah, what happened?
Here's the food. Can you straight away?
What happened?
Where's the food?
Is there poison inside?
Where's the poison?
What happened?
Where's the suicide you're
She was
talking
eating a mountainous plate of food here.
Food.
Yes.
What happened now? Let me know, I'm saving myself.
Only food
Yes, now food.
is the. It's okay, continue.
Please hold the food.
I'm gonna eating it. Is there poison? Let me know, I'm saving myself on time.
So you mean you ate all those food?
What happened? You're saying nonsense. What happened? Tell me what happened.
You ate that food.
Tell Gracia to give me toothpick and juice.
Mark, get the car ready. T-boy.
Dad. Dad.
I'm already late.
Dad, I need another vacation.
Why? But you just came back from France.
This house is way too boring.
We'll talk about that when I get back from work, okay?
Okay.
Where is Mark? Where's everybody?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, please take this. And where are you going to?
Going to call Duke, sir.
Duke?
Yes, sir.
He's not at the gate yet?
Yes, sir. He's still sleeping, sir.
Still sleeping? Yes, not yet at the gate?
Yes, sir.
Tell him I'm calling him. And where is he?
Sir, he's still sleeping.
Still sleeping?
Yes, sir.
What's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of what?
Are you okay?
Yeah, are you okay? Are you okay? You don't know that somebody is sleeping, you're making noise. Are you okay?
So what you're trying to tell me is that I'm disturbing in my own father's house?
Which father's house? You don't gotta sit down one place. Which father's house? You don't have rest. You don't have sense. All these small boys there, is until they slap somebody, other people go rest because you don't have sense.
Do you realize that my father has already employed your father?
My friend, when you guys sit down, shut up your mouth and sit down. Your father not be God. Your father not God. Your father and my papa are the same thing. Now I just condition put my papa for that level.
So I'm disturbing in my own house.
Okay, sit down. Don't put this music again. Somebody is sleeping. Don't disturb me again. I can do your love. Don't disturb me again.
Don't call me that.
Don't call me what? I can do your love. You go beat me.
Don't call me that.
I can do your love. In fact, okra.
My dad must hear this when he comes back.
Beat you be like make I beat you. Be small picking. For my eye, you be small picking. See what the adults they do. Shame no they catch you. Shame they catch me on your behalf. Shame, your shame they catch me. If your shame when they catch you, they catch me on your behalf. See what big boy they do. I will tell my daddy. Idiot.
That girl must not eat anything in this house anymore. She must not eat anything in this house anymore. Can you hear me?
Who?
The stupid girl, of course.
I don't know any stupid girl.
So you want to tell me that you don't know the gate man's daughter, eh?
Why?
Because she insulted me. She called me an infant okra.
But you are not in any position to tell me who to.
Oh, I'm not in any position, eh? Don't worry, we shall see. We shall see.
I don't even know the English you speak. I don't blame you. It's your father that is paying me. Let me calm down, Jesus. Calm down. Go help me. Control yourself.
Duke, what happened today?
I heard there was a riot.
I mean, what happened in this house this morning when I was about to go to work?
Okay, I cannot recall, sir.
Duke, don't take our relationship for granted.
Dad, thank God you are back. Because I would have committed suicide today. That stupid girl.
Tony, why won't you allow me sit down before you start complaining? What's all this?
Dad, you're not taking me serious. Dad! You have to hear this. Dad, you don't even want to listen to what I have to say. You know this nonsense guy actually insulted me.
Tony, learn how to talk to our guests. You nag a lot.
Dad, why do you hate me so much? Why do you nag anytime I want to talk to you?
Wait, now your papa they talk to like that. You know, get respect. I mean, they know they beat you. They know they touch you.
Yes, and I'm not talking to your wretched father. So shut up your mouth and get out.
Tony. Eh?
Dad.
Excuse me, sir, with due respect. I'll be right back.
Did you just talk to me like that?
Dad.
Tony, listen to me. You're grounded in this house.
Dad, that cannot happen now.
No more holidays, no more parties,
Dad.
no shopping.
Dad, that cannot happen. What will I be doing?
And now you come, sir. I overhear what you tell him. This is the man I expected to see.
Are you okay? Come on, excuse us now.
But if I don't go, what will you beat me?
Are you okay? I will just throw you out of this place.
Yeah, come and touch me now. You're mad.
Jesus! What did you put in my eyes? Jesus!
This one a woman. That's the for.
Yeah. Wait, Jesus. Nice.
Sorry. Sorry.
Dad, I cannot see.
Sorry.
What did you do to him?
I
cannot see.
So that you will shut up.
Dad,
Sorry.
Just take me to the hospital.
No vex, oh? Sorry.
I'll be a good brother.
Stand up.
Why are you crying like a baby? Ha! So now, okra. Ogbolo. Why is he crying? Is everything okay? Ha! Oh. Hey. This is our son now, Ogbolo.
What did you do to him?
I not do much thing, just small something. I just touch him like this in the eye. He fell.
You touch him in the eye? Ah, God. He better not go blind. He better not go blind, because if he goes blind, you, your father, like, it's over for the two of you. You see this thing your mouth is running. Let Oga come back. He better not go blind.
You see this way they talk, Oga love himself. They know they too love man. If you too love man, you go turn to senior man.
Asha don't tell you my own.
Yeah, Asha don't tell you my own too.
Make anything no do that boy, because I go just sit down. You see this chair? Now here I go sit down. The way they go take pursue you and your papa come out from this house.
No fear.
Now kiri prison. You and your papa.
Nothing go happen.
Now two go enter there.
I'm too small to go prison.
You too small. But you not too small to fight trouble, ba?
No. Anything will go happen like this. No, my papa they go carry go sell.
Yeah, baba.
I never reach. You don't know why they do all these five small troubles why they fight, because I know say they covered.
Seriously? Oh, that's why you won't put them on for trouble. You they do.
I know they. I never start to.
You they thumbs up. You they do.
I never start to do.
You they do.
T-boy, do you need anything?
Dad, I just want to say sorry for the way I shouted at you.
Really?
Yes,
What did you just say?
So I'm sorry for the way I shouted at you. I'm so happy that I can see.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Apollonia,
Sir?
what did you use on his eyes?
Okay, did it work? Make I see. If I talk.
Don't come close to me.
Congratulations, sir. It worked. Congratulations. Sir.
Dad, let me go and clean my room. Do you have any clothes that should help you and iron?
You want to iron my clothes?
Yes. Don't
worry, T-boy. You can go.
Dad, I'll see you later, Dad.
Sir, please, when you give birth, when your wife was pregnant for him, you used to eat too much ogbono, or your wife used to eat too much ogbono, because the thing now is not affecting the boy. Now every time he's be doing
Shut up. What did you really use on his eyes?
Actually, I use some of my secrets. This is that you say you want to iron your clothes. If you say I use all my secrets safe, all the power, you go say one cook for yourself.
Where's your father?
Go buy medicine for belly.
And where are you going with this bag?
They prepared now. I know say if you come back now, you go say make I leave your house because I almost blind your picking eye. So I just get prepared.
Go back to the room and keep your bag.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. But sir, that will not stop me to say that this your son too. They behave like okra.
Go to your room and stop your long story.
Say you know they flog him, because if you say they flog this your son, you know go they behave like this. So me, I they train pikin no. In case you need my service, I no go charge you much. If I train them for you, you go like them. Or you go just come straight, come stay small.
T-boy, ironing my clothes. Yeah. Wonders really never end though.
Tony.
What?
What did they do for you?
I'm washing the car, of course.
Since when you begin wash car?
Eh? Leave it.
Stop playing. What are you doing?
I want to wash the car.
No, stop playing.
I'm serious, and let me watch this thing. Leave it alone.
Ah. Tony, now your real self be this.
Leave me alone, I want to wash it.
Wait, they come. Yeah? Tony, you shock me, oh. Tony, you shock me, oh.
What happened?
What happened, though? Dawa? What happened?
You washed your clothes?
Yes. Is there anything wrong with that?
Nothing, no. It's fine, it's nice. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
You're okay? You sure you're okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay. You can go. Don't worry. Just go. Go. I'm okay.
T-boy, you're cleaning the house?
Yes, Dad. I'm cleaning it. The house was pretty dusty this morning, so I decided to clean it. Is there anything you want?
Nothing for now.
You sure?
Nothing.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Mark.
Sir.
Is the car ready?
Yes, sir. They are ready, sir. Tony washed them this morning before I woke up.
Really?
Yes, sir.
He did?
Yes, sir. I was even surprised.
You can go.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
My son, T-boy.
Daddy, it's nothing. I want to do it. Apollo, I really want to say thank you. Thank you for the other time.
You're welcome. Sorry for the other day too.
Nah, it's okay. I really just hope we can be friends, you know.
So now, as you do everything now, normal way you're supposed to wash car, sleep, wash your clothes, do everything. Your body, they do you somehow, you die. You sick. You did alright, Abby. So what is all the problem for? What is all the fight for?
I just want us to be friends.
Friends.
Yeah, no. Come, let's go and play some games now.
Hmm?
Let's go and play game inside. Come, let's go. Which game do you like?
No one.
Duke. I'll be going on holidays tomorrow with my son.
I hope we know the inconvenience you.
Nothing like that. But it's not good the way my son and your daughter is cat and dog.
No. That one, I go send my daughter go village immediately. No problem. No. I know they like this kind of thing.
No, Duke, listen, don't think like that.
How?
I just want to go and cool off my head. I've worked so hard. I just want to take some rest.
Okay.
Again, when I come back from travel, I'll be moving to my new house. I want you and your daughter to take over this place as your own house.
Is there waiting?
What I said.
Hey! So me, I'll be landlord in this place?
Exactly. You also need to start your own business and then make your own money.
Hey! Onwa! Hey! Onwa, God will bless you. Hey! See me! No. I did dream.
Duke is not a dream. I remember those old days that you have to steal from your mother's shop just to feed me and my siblings. It's okay.
It's okay.
Let me take some rest.
It's okay. Hey! 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 Apollo! Apollonia! Hey! Come. Breaking news.
No need. I don't hear am.
Eh?
Very soon now, we could become house owner.
House owner, you and who?
Me and you.
No, you don't follow. I am the house owner, not you.
Why?
Because as you be now, you're a risk factor. If I agree, make you and me get ownership of this house very soon now. I go turn tenants. You go take this house sell. You know possible.
We go the shop, they take pictures and videos for this house. Go the poster.
Now post. Leave all those things which arrive where you been go before where they arrive. Listen to me. You know they take pictures. You know they do video because now my house.
If you die, who will take the house? What be me?
Which law talks there I go die first before you?
Normally, you supposed to die first.
How it be normally?
If my papa na, I be your pikin, na pikin go die first. Papa go die, I go give you benefiting, I be na benefiting barrier. Then me I go follow suit.
You know be only follow suit and follow tie. See all this tongue where they talk now from out. There is no law that says that the papa must die before pikin.
Normal thing. Why you no die first before your grandmama? This is not your grandmama die before you.
You know waiting. The way you don't they give me idea. Now to write will, and put charity as next of kin. So when I die now, this house and everything where I get, they go will am to charity.
I go register for the charity people where you want give it to. All those charity people where you go, I go see.
Your name na Apollonia, no be charity. Yes.
I go. It's not hard to change name now. Not be for mouth they change name.
For where?
But tell people say my name no be Apollo. You go doubt am.
Duka!
Oga landlord. Hey, Oga landlord, what do you want again?
I want to see Duka now.
You want to see Duka? Hi. Oga landlord, I don't think you say Duka don't travel. Abi you want to take over the house or if you want rent them?
I did hear something. You know they hear them.
Yeah. I don't hear anything. If you hear anything, na rat you they hear or ghost. I don't hear anything. Duka don't travel. Just calm down. If you come back, I go use my hand and carry him. Come meet you. I will carry him. Come meet you. No, relax. You don't travel. How about this Duka self? Now wow. I don't say the money where you they pay you, but no problem. You no go do otherwise now. You no go do otherwise.
Hey, see my daddy. See my friend daddy. I'm looking like rich man now.
No, it's not working. Rich men don't work. They sit like this, and then they don't laugh too much. They do. Swagger yourself.
What's going on here?
We're practicing.
Why are you putting on my clothes?
It is a dress rehearsal for the future that you are about to usher us into.
Dad, I was hearing your voice inside. Leave him now. These are old clothes after all. Wow. You actually look nice on these clothes.
Very reasonable, boy. Come here. That's my boy. That's my boy.
You look good.
It's okay, go on play. Go on play. How are you?
You like overdoing things. Somebody that brought you to his house, you are touching his son like this, as if he's small picking. You are telling him it's okay. What are you? Why are you telling him?
Game over. Onwa.
Make sure you feed them very well. Anything they want. Then no night outing.
Okay, sir.
Duke, I will call you as soon as we get to Zanzibar.
It's okay.
Be a call.
It's okay. It's okay.
I miss you people. Our games.
Play it again now.
Is it hot?
Yes, sir.
It's hot.
Yes, sir.
Pour it out. Okay, girl, shake well. Shake it. Shake it with dignity. Shake it as if it is cough medicine. Shake it well. Now pour it. See this house? I have to enjoy. As someone know the, I have to enjoy this house. Yes. Bow. Is this not how you used to serve one? Serve me like that. Ah.
They bite me now. Which kind of thing with this?
No be chicken.
You chicken. You chicken, you want to come on my hand for me.
Hey. So no be big man.
Only big man. They here, they dream big dream.
Chai! Oh, why awake now?
We know they go the place again. They don't break.
Go where?
The Uyo.
Your head like Uyo.
What happened?
I was a big man. I am now a former big man.
When? Cause me when you know be big man, never in your life. Never. When you be big man.
There are two types of life. Dream life and real life.
Okay. Now for dream life, you be big man.
Yes. Very soon I go be for real life. Yes.
I am not going to go to you now. Time you do.
Duka! Hey! Open this door and pay me. Duka!
You know they be like this at Bishop.
Duka!
Is there inside here?
Hey! Open this door.